Here we have the Hyundai IX20 automatic on a 14 plate. I'm going to show you around the outside of the car first of all, and then we'll hop in and I'll run through a few controls on the inside. As you'll see from the outside, it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels. Let's start off inside the boot and then work our way around the rest of the car from there. As we approach the back of the car, we've got reversing sensors, a 60/40 split folding rear seat, and then this section of the boot will lift up to reveal even more space underneath, as you can see. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back round to the front of the car now, and then I'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. But now that we've done a full circle of the car, you can see it's in fantastic condition the whole way round. Just briefly before climbing in, I think it's worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. As you can see, the seats are in fantastic condition, as are the carpet areas. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, so we're going to start with the dials. On the left hand side we've got the rev counter, and on the right hand side the speedometer. In the middle at the top you'll see the fuel gauge and oil temperature gauges, along with the gear the car is currently in, which is park. And at the bottom of that section, the total miles on this car, which are 13,109. If we back out to the steering wheel, we've got stereo controls on both the left and right hand sides of the steering wheel, and then underneath that we've got phone controls, so we can voice activation here. So we hit that button, ask it to dial someone in our contacts list, and it will do that for us. We can answer and end phone calls as well once we pair up a phone. And over this side we can go through the various different bits of trip computer information by pressing trip and reset. The main stereo unit where you set up the phone is over in the centre here. So you'll see this car's got a CD player. It's also got auxiliary and USB input as well, and then AM and FM radio on top of that. Beneath that we've got the air conditioning. So this is where you can adjust the fan speed, temperature on this outer ring, and then press that button to turn the air conditioning on or off, and then you can determine where you'd like the air to blow with these other buttons around there. And underneath that you'll see we've got a 12-volt charging socket, the auxiliary and USB input that I mentioned a moment ago, and then the fully automatic gearbox just here. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car in person and have a test drive, feel free to give any of our MJA sites a call. We'd love to hear from you soon.